Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can fix portrait mode not working on your iPhone camera. So first of all, if your portrait mode is glitching and showing you blank screen on your camera application, the first fix is restart your iPhone. A simple restart often resolves many issues. So tap and hold your power and volume up button and you will see the option to power off on the top, so make sure to restart your iPhone. The next step is update your iOS. An outdated iOS can cause various issues, so open up your settings and go for general, go for software update and make sure that your iOS is up to date. If not, make sure to update it. The next thing is force quit camera application. If your camera application is glitching again and again, you just need to forcefully close the camera just like this, swipe up. Once you do so, the next process is check orientation lock. Make sure that the portrait orientation lock is turned. If all of these methods didn't work, you just need to reset your settings. Open up your settings and then go to General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Go for Reset and make sure to reset all of your settings. At the end, if the problem persists, it's best to contact the Apple customer support as well. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix portrait mode not working on iPhone camera.